Planet Computers, we never stop innovating. Over the past 2 years, we have delivered our award-winning Gemini PDA and Cosmo communicator devices to over 10,000 backers who supported our mission to kickstart a new mobile computing revolution. The revolution continues as we embrace the latest mobile technologies and trends, coupled with our passion for typing, writing, creating on the go. We are excited to say that we are extending the range of Planet devices with the brand new Astro Slide, our first 5G transformer smartphone.
To create the ultimate mobile phone, it's really about no compromise. We listen to our backers and they want a large touchscreen display, always accessible, but at the same time they want a Planet signature keyboard accessible whenever they need it, without compromise. We are fully embracing the power of 5G and Wi-Fi 6, and we decided to go all in to find the fastest 5G processor currently available to give the ultimate 5G experience on the Astro Slide. To have a smartphone that can transform into a pocket computer with simple thumb action is truly a leap in usability and functionality, great for both work and play. The Astro Slide is a no-compromise solution, and we think it is perfect as your daily driver. We hope that you like it.
Planet Computers introduces the Astro Slide, our flagship 5G smartphone. It's the ultimate in mobile design, power and usability. Astro Slide is the first of Planet's transformer smartphones with a large 6.53-inch touchscreen display, featuring Planet's revolutionary patented RockUp slider hinge. Astro Slide reveals Planet's signature keyboard with the push of a thumb. The display gently tilts up to the optimal viewing angle, transforming Astro into a powerful pocket computer. Astro Slide gives you the freedom to write, create, animate, communicate, and be entertained in one familiar form factor. Astro Slide is the fastest 5G device to be announced to date. Powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 1000 chipset, it offers twice the performance of other 5G chipsets, with significantly reduced power consumption, achieving download speeds of up to 4.7 gigabits per second with dual 5G modems. Astro Slide's battery will power a user through an entire day of work and play. Astro Slide features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, BLE audio, NFC communications, and wireless charging. Astro has a 48 megapixel rear-facing camera as well as a front camera for video calling. Other features of Astro Slide include a fingerprint sensor, 2 nano SIM slots and 1 eSIM, a micro SD slot for additional storage, minimum 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal memory, 2 USB-C ports and an audio jack. Planet's signature backlit keyboard allows you to comfortably work at night or in dark spaces, such as on long plane journeys without the need of external lighting. Astro is designed to run the latest Android 10 OS and all your favourite apps, as well as Linux-based operating systems with a multi-boot option. It's a true all-in-one replacement for both your smartphone and your laptop, perfect as your daily driver. We hope that you like our new device and that you can help us make it a reality.